good morning from Tulum, Mexico. It's time for my new next adventure. Today I'm just gonna check what I can do here in Tulum. I'm gonna visit the center, we're gonna buy a few things as my suitcase is not here yet. I got myself a car yesterday. My flight was late, so they gave away my car that I paid for already to someone else. So yeah, I had to get this one. It's a nice car though. Okay, so the first issue I'm gonna resolve is I need some fresh clothes and like toothpaste and shit, because mine is still in Amsterdam. So that will be my last ever long flight with Chewy. Shit happens. Yeah, just gonna walk around for a bit, see what Tulum has to offer, right? Now, you see some lovely restaurants and shops. Yeah, all kinds of stuff. Look at this cool eagle. Probably the greatest gym ever.
If you're a YouTuber, you have a discount. Have you advertising?
Okay. Okay, not today, not today. Get one of these. Figure out where I'm gonna buy a hat. It's getting quite hot right now. I need to cover my head. I just found a nice place down the road, and this is gonna be my first real Mexican breakfast. Got myself some tea and ordered some enchiladas. Enchiladas, yeah, that was it. So let's see if I even like Mexican food. This is gonna be a full surprise for me. I have no idea what I'm gonna get. I've had Mexican food before in the Netherlands, but it must be different. So let's see what I get. It's very good. Cheers. Very surprising taste, but I like it. That's good. Oh, that was a good meal. That's also, that's a spicy one. So I'm just gonna walk around for a bit more and see what I can find in the stores. I might need some, yeah, I do need some flip-flops because my slippers are in my suitcase, and I need to find myself a hat because it is scorching out here. It is freaking hot. I love it though, but it's hot. Anyway, let's get going again. This is the main street of Tulum. It seems quite busy, but I don't think it really is that busy though. Let's explore. Lucky duck. I'm a lucky duck too. I'm a bit surprised by the amount of police I see. I see like one every 5 minutes at least. I'm not sure if that's supposed to make me feel safe or the opposite. There's a lot of them. Can't really find anything here, so I think I'm gonna drive around for a bit and then I'll see what I'll do. So after driving around for a bit, I just passed this amazing street, and now you can guess where I'm going. I just need to see the beach here. So next stop, the beach. So just had a few drinks at the Coco Beach Club, but this water is just really tempting. It's not the cleanest, but still, I just need to get in and I don't have any swimwear. So, stupid suitcase is still in Amsterdam. Oh shit, this hurts. Ow, and I don't have flip-flops, I only have shoes, and now I'm walking on this. Barefoot. This actually hurts. Jesus, need to get used to walking barefoot again. Okay, so next beach. I They just charged me 200 pesos for parking. Have I been ripped off? Maybe. Oh well, who cares? Anyway, let's see if this beach is any better. Even better. I made my way to Playa Paraíso, and this is exactly how I imagined a Mexican beach to be like. So I'm loving this. This is amazing, man. Okay, wow, this beach is actually so good, and I found my new home. That would be amazing. Yeah, I could see myself living here, right on the beach, in a metal cabin. This is just gorgeous. I think all the way up there, somewhere, there's the ruins. There's a strange smell out here. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm gonna walk back down and sit down at some place. Okay, found myself a nice place to sit down in, and just gonna have a drink and, I don't know, do a bit of reading and just enjoy the view. It's pretty damn beautiful. There's a ton of boats here just doing all kinds of tours. Someone asked me to go see some turtles, but I'm not in the mood today. So I've heard there's no whale sharks right now. I was kind of hoping doing that, but yeah, if there's not any, too bad. So I ordered some food here, and this may be strange for a lot of people, but I have never had a coconut before. So many people drink it, so it must be good, right? Anyway, I'm gonna try. Oh, they have plastic straws. Nice. Nice and not nice. Sorry, but I hate paper straws. Now, hello coconut. Let's have a taste, right? It's not bad actually. Like, okay. Actually pretty nice. Yeah, I'm still processing it up here, like, why have I not tried this before? Well, anyway, food might be here soon, so this is surprising actually. Like, I didn't expect to like it, but still, 150 pesos for this nice green coconut, and yeah, I'm surprised I liked it actually. My food has arrived, and this looks like a damn good steak. That is. Now I'm heading back to my hostel, and I don't know what I'll do for the rest of the day, so I might just hang out by the pool for a bit. So far, Tulum has blown me away. This is beyond my expectations. Yeah, so that was my first impression of Tulum. It's beautiful. Let me know down in the comments if you've ever been to Tulum, or if you can name a place that's more beautiful than this, please do. That's it for today, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya!